We dropped off the RV yesterday and it is already ready for us to pick up. So let me turn this around and you can see where I am. Quality RV Solutions in Alvarado and ready to pick up our Class A. Okay, so I'm super proud of myself. I picked the motor coach up from service and I fully hooked up my Jeep because Brian is working and he's gonna meet me here. So I did all of this myself. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really proud of myself. I've watched Brian do it and I know how to check and double check, but yeah, I'm really excited that I did this myself.